Gary Wheeler here. Are you sick and tired of those flimsy suspension components putting your trailer in the service shop? Oh boy, am I excited to introduce you to the latest and greatest product that MORryde has. It's the super duper heavy duty mega shackle link. This thing puts the heavy in heavy duty. And you want to lift with your legs, not your back. How strong is it, you ask? It is stronger than Aunt Carol's hairspray during a hurricane. How thick is it, you ask? Well, it's thicker than the plot of your afternoon soap opera on a rainy afternoon. Heck, your RV would fold like a cheap lawn chair before this thing even flinched.
Okay, maybe that's a bit much, but let's talk about a real upgrade. The MORryde half-inch heavy-duty shackle kit, twice as thick as the standard quarter-inch shackles, designed for long-lasting durability. It's made from a thicker, high-strength steel designed to handle more punishment from the road. The extra thickness means increased durability, especially when you're towing or loaded down with gear. Pair that with greasable bolts and upgraded bronze bushings, replacing the standard plastic ones, and you've got a setup built for the long haul. The result? Reduced wear and tear, and peace of mind knowing you're not going to find yourself broken down on the side of the highway with a busted shackle. Upgrade your suspension system with MORryde heavy-duty shackles so you can explore freely, knowing your RV is ready for whatever the road throws your way. Because when it comes to towing and hauling, it's all about reliability. You can find the heavy-duty shackle kit on our website and our online store. Reach out to us at 574-293-1581 or email us at parts@morryde.com for more information.